What's up everyone, my name is Mark and today we're going to be going over hashtags. What exactly are hashtags? So if you're not familiar with hashtags, hashtags are basically categories. So think of every single hashtag you see as a category. And basically if you have a photo or video, whatever that piece of content is, you want to make sure you're using a relevant hashtag or category to associate that content with. For example, if I have a photo of a cup of coffee, and I want that cup of coffee photo to be associated with coffee shops, I want to use the hashtag coffee shops. That way, my photo that I post on Instagram will be associated with coffee shops. That's really all what hashtags are. They're basically categories to identify different pieces of content. Remember, if you have a coffee cup and you want that coffee cup to be in the category or hashtag of coffee shops, then you want to go ahead and use the hashtag coffee shops. And one last tip, hashtags have no spaces. So if you want to use coffee shops in Texas, make sure there's no space involved in that hashtag. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. If there is any other type of tutorial you want me to do for you, go ahead, leave that in the comments below, and I'll make sure I get that video made for you. As always, have a great day.